Good morning, student. Today we'll start the chapter motion of class 9th, and today topic is acceleration and graphical representation. Graphical representation of speed, acceleration, relation between SNT and VNT, and numericals. First is when an object is moving in a straight path and at point A, at point B, at point C, at point D, at every point means when we say instantaneous means achanak, without thinking. If we check the speed of a car is, let we are assuming 40 km per hour at here and 40 km per hour at here. It means the speed of a car is same at every point. Mean the car is moving at a uniform motion. That means we can say that there is a no change in motion. When we are showing in the direction from A to B means the motion is uniform and there is a no change in velocity. When there is a no change velocity means difference of the velocity between 2 points is 0. Difference between 2 points is 0. That means the car is moving at a uniform speed, or we can say uniform motion. But if the speed of car is either increasing or decreasing in a straight path, here is speed is 40 km per hour, here is 45 km per hour, and so on, increasing in a straight path. It means the velocity is changed between 2 points. It means motion is not uniform. Mean we can say that it is non-uniform motion. When an object having non-uniform motion, that means there is a change in the velocity, and the change in the velocity will take some time. Means time interval. In which time interval? In what is the time in which the velocity is changed? What is the time interval? That will be the, here is t1, here is t2. It means in between the velocity is changed, and then change in a velocity in a given interval of time, we give the new physical quantity that is known as acceleration. It means that when the speed of an object or the velocity of an object increase or decrease in a given interval of time, that is known as acceleration. Or we can define acceleration in other word, rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity, or we can say that change in velocity in a given interval of time is known as acceleration. If u is u, we are assuming that its initial velocity, start initial velocity, and this is final velocity. Then acceleration, what is said? Change in velocity. Change in velocity upon में time taken. Or you said that rate of change of velocity, or the change in velocity per unit time. Here is change in velocity. Acceleration is represented by, this acceleration is represented by, it is represented by small a. Here is a is equal to change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. Final velocity minus initial velocity upon में time t, and this final velocity is v this is V and this is U. So that means A is equal to V minus U and time taken is T2 minus T1, which is we are assuming T. T is the time taken in between these two interval, between two interval. That is the time taken. A is equal to V minus U upon my T, whereas A is the acceleration, change in velocity upon my time. This acceleration may be positive or may be negative. Under what condition the acceleration is positive? Under what condition the acceleration is negative? When the speed of an object or a car will increase, then the acceleration will be positive. When the speed of car will decrease, then the acceleration will be negative. And negative acceleration is known as retardation, or we generally say that is a de-acceleration. It means acceleration is positive, that means the motion of an object, what is the meaning? Mean object जिस motion में जा रहा है, the direction of that acceleration is the direction of the motion. Acceleration is opposite to the direction of motion. Example, we will check it. And this acceleration may be positive or negative. Positive acceleration is known as when the speed will increase. Positive acceleration when speed will increase. Negative acceleration, which is known as retardation, de-acceleration, then the speed will decrease. If V is greater than U, then acceleration is positive. If V is less than U, then A is negative. It is positive acceleration, it is negative acceleration, and negative acceleration is known as retardation. And the unit of A is change in velocity. What is the unit of velocity? Meter per second. Upon में, what is the unit of second? Time is second. Meter per second square. Meter per second square, or ms minus 2. This is the unit of acceleration. Unit of acceleration is meter per second square, या ms minus 2, and it is a vector quantity because it indicates the direction. Acceleration will be produced only when the speed of an object will increase or decrease in a given interval of time, or at a constant speed the object has acceleration only in condition when the direction will change at every point. For example, an object is moving in a circular path at a constant speed, it will have the accelerated motion. Circular motion is the accelerated motion. Why? At every point the change in direction will take place. And acceleration are also uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. And now what is uniform acceleration? When the speed or velocity of an object in a straight path is increased or decreased in an equal interval of time, speed of a car, the velocity of a car increase or decrease in equal magnitude, equal amount in a given interval of time is known as uniform acceleration. And other acceleration will be non-uniform, means when an object moving in a straight path, its speed or velocity will increase or decrease in equal magnitude in unequal interval of time is known as non-uniform acceleration. Please be careful again. Uniform acceleration, when an object moves in a straight path, the velocity of the object will increase or decrease in equal amount in equal interval of time is known as uniform acceleration. Whereas velocity of an object increase or decrease in equal amount in unequal interval of time is known as non-uniform acceleration. Is it clear? And now, give an example of an note it down. Speed measure the rate of motion. Speed of an object is the distance covered per unit time. It is a scalar quantity. Its unit is meter per second. Speed, distance upon by time taken. Velocity, it is the displacement per unit time, or other definition, distance covered by object per unit time in a given direction. It is a vector quantity. Its unit is meter per second, and velocity is equal to displacement upon time, and displacement may be 0, and the acceleration I am defining you. Now the question, one numerical. Starting from stationary position, before solving the numerical problem, you have to take some point always in your mind. When it is mentioned starting from rest, starting from rest, it means initial velocity is equal to 0. Initial velocity is equal to 0. U is the initial velocity. U means initial velocity. Initial velocity is equal to 0. Starting from rest means initial velocity is equal to 0. And come to rest, if it is mentioned comes to rest or come to rest means V, final velocity, equal to 0. Starting from rest or about to start, generally we say about to start. If it is mentioned about to start or starting from rest, then always U equal to 0. Come to rest, if it is mentioned come to rest, final velocity will be 0. Or applied brake, when it is mentioned applied brake, if it is mentioned applied brake and come to rest, then V is equal to 0. If applied brake, then please be careful, U is always greater than V. The U always greater than V. If it is mentioned applied brake and object come to rest, applied brake and car come to rest, then V equal to 0. V equal to 0. It will be V equal to 0. When an object is moving at uniform motion या velocity या speed, then A equal to 0. A equal to 0 because no change in velocity. Why? V equal to U or V minus U equal to 0. Then A equal to 0. These conditions you have to keep in your mind before solving the numerical problem. Starting from rest, initial velocity will be 0. Come to rest, final velocity will be 0. And applied brake, this will be 0. And now we have to do it. Is it clear? And now we will solve the question. Here is start from the stationary position. What does it indicate? Start from stationary, start from rest. Mean initial velocity. What is initial velocity? U equal to 0. Rahul pedaled his bicycle and attain a velocity. Start from rest, and now he pedaled his bicycle and some velocity he attained after how much time? 30 seconds. Means initial velocity is 0 and final velocity v, which is 6 meter per second, in how much time? Time is equal to 30 seconds. Then he applied brake. Means here if we draw the graph, here is start from rest, a, u equal to 0, and after how much time? T is equal to 30 second. 30 second. His velocity of bicycle is 6 meter per second, and then he applied brake. When he applied brake, means here the speed will decrease, mean acceleration will be negative, and applied brake and come down to 6 to where is 4 meter per second, and in how much time? In next 5 seconds, in 5 seconds. And calculate the acceleration in both cases. Mean we have to find out a here is, and we have to find out a here also in first case. It means this is your first case. First case. Time a is equal to acceleration. A is acceleration. You please be keep in mind. Acceleration a is equal to v minus u upon में t. What is v? 6 a is equal to, here is 6 minus 0. 6 is meter per second, 0 is meter per second. 6 meter per second minus 0 meter per second upon में time is 30 second. 6 minus 0, it is equal to 6 upon में 30 meter per second square. 1 and this will be 5. Answer is 1 upon में 5 meter per second square, which is equal to 0.2 meter per second square. It means acceleration final velocity minus initial velocity, v minus u upon में t, 6 minus 0 upon में 30, 6 minus 0 upon में 30, 6 minus 0 6 upon में 30, 1 upon 5, 0.2 meter per second. And now second condition, you have to check yourself and try to do yourself. Check, do it. Now do it fast. In second condition, here is speed. Now this will be initial velocity, and the speed is changed from 6 to 4. In second case, and now initial velocity u is equal to, here is 6 meter per second, and applied brake, applied, here is brake applied, speed will 4, means final velocity v equal to 4 meter per second. In how much time? In t second. Time is equal to t 5 second. It means velocity is decreasing, then a will be negative. Then a is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon में time, and the formula is v minus u upon में t. What is a? What is v? V is 4 minus a is 6 upon में how much time is 4 meter per second minus 6 meter per, you can do directly, upon में 5 second. 4 minus 6 minus 2 upon में 5 meter per second square is equal to 0.4 meter per second square, and it is your answer. It means in first case the acceleration is positive, and in second case the acceleration is negative. Why the first case is acceleration positive, speed is increase, and in second case speed is decrease. Now you have to do some question I am giving you, and you have to do in as your homework. Now the following question you have to do: define uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Define acceleration, write its unit, write the difference between uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration, give an example in which acceleration is in the direction of motion, acceleration is against the direction of motion, and acceleration is uniform and acceleration is non-uniform. These you have to do, and you have to do from NCERT also, from your NCERT book. Page number 103. Do question and also do question, page 102 and 103, and we will discuss in next class.